Yes, guys, itong binili ko sa sa palengke, yung dumaan ako doon, nag-video ako doon. Ito yung binili ko, 25 per kilo. So this one is 39 pesos. Medyo maliit lang siya, hindi ko kinuha yung medyo malaki kasi ang laki. Ayan oh. Sweet corn is my favorite. Any kind of sweet corn, favorite ko yan, puti man or any yellow. And then bumili din ako ng purple na sweet potato kasi mahilig kasi ako sa sweet potato every morning. Mahal na kasi dito sa amin ito kaya doon ako bumili kapag dumadaan na ako. Ito 1 kilo. And then I buy luya, ginger, and the garlic. Para hindi na sila bibili dito sa bahay. At least doon sa dinaanan ko, ay malaking yung palengke. Kaya mahal, mura talaga yung mga bilihin doon. Mga garlic at saka mga ganito. Kasi dito sa amin, mahal na yun dito sa Pag-asa. So, I buy also this one. Peanut, iwan ko anong tawag dito sa English. Alugbati na puti. Gusto ko ito. Sa munggo. And then, squash. Kapag dumadaan na ako doon sa palengke na, yung bumibili na ako ng mga ganito dahil doon din galing yung mga galing dito sa amin. Kaya mahal na. Adyan di! Uy! Adyan di! Today this is the leaves of sweet potato. Our lunch today. Ang aking aso. Ayan guys. Saturday and Sunday is my rest day. So I have time in the house to buy their needs here. And then tomorrow again I will go back to my workplace. I want to eat this. Ay! Walang kangkong. Ay, kangkong naghahanap siya. Walang kangkong. Tinapay. 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 She want to eat bread. Ito bread. Bakit naman kasi ginutom itong bibi ko? Bibi ni Mimi. Ay guys, yung aso lang yung aming binibibi dito sa bahay. Very big. Bread. She ate bread. Black Saturday today afternoon, I'm going to the church. I have no time tomorrow because tomorrow I'm going back to the workplace. So, want to mo. Ay! Hindi. Ayaw naman niya pala. Nalat lang niya. Ayan mo! You don't want to eat the bread. You want to eat the alugbati. You want to eat alugbati? Ay, naku, ang aking aso. This is not for you. Tomorrow we cook this one. Yung aso ko mahilig sa sa mga kung ano-anong gulay. Ay, naku. You want this one? Silly. Okay, see you guys. I need to prepare my things. I just come home. And I will cook this afternoon. This one. This is tomorrow morning. Is a Saturday. Sunday tomorrow. So tomorrow is what do you call this? This is rising tomorrow. So I have no time to go to the church tomorrow afternoon because I have to go back to my workplace. So today afternoon, Black Saturday, I'm going to the church. Yeah, see you later, Pinkay TV. I hope you watch here. my video. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. I have no time LS one morning, guys. After I will LS and maybe noon time after lunch. Or just come home. I'm tired. After upload this one, I will open my LS also. Thank you for watching. Pinkay TV. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, Jandi. Later, Jandi have own channel also. I will make for you a channel also for the dogs. Thank you for coming. I thought thank you for watching Pinkay TV and Mary Pinky vlog. Happy Saturday and Tax Saturday today. Tomorrow is Jesus is rising. Tomorrow is a Sunday.